Welcome back, everybody, to the train channel. We got a B&P train. Let's roll it and check it out. Maybe it's a trash train, maybe. I got this on the live stream before. I gotta... This is our second camera version today. And also for those of you guys that are listening to the live, this is camcorder version number 2 here. Got a B&P train on inside of the service industry. Here they go. Well, Eugene's listening in on my live stream. Just got a B&P trip. This is camcorder version number 2. In case we haven't tuned into the live stream, either listening in or coming to the chat or something. Huh? There's no train coming on track 1 or 2. Not this one. No, there's no train coming on track 1 or track 2. I have to go get the blue cord from behind you. Huh? Sorry. Huh? Sorry. Huh? Because that phone on the stream's going dead. What was that? Oh. What's going on? He loses everything. I lost his phone because I was picking up the phone, and he lost almost his computer, We're not gonna get the whole train. We're just gonna get it. We got at least got the hoppers go by at the least, but that's it. I gotta get that camcord version. I got the camcord versions today in 2 phones because I got the push and pull freight train on the crack phone, the one I'm using today for the live stream, and also this train here. This is gonna be like a long one here, and I did get one 20-minute video right here in Bradford this year.
Oh.
And that was in a few months ago. And the fortunate was the storage got cut out. I gotta get the smartphone plugged in here pretty soon. There's no gates in this crossing. No, there's gates in the track, in the 2-track crossing, but there's no gates in the 1 crossing only, under a quarter-mile away. didn't even see the lights going by when with the previous. That was the train we got right there on the live stream about an hour ago. Maybe it's a half hour ago, actually. These hoppers right there are the sand hoppers. They're not even grain hoppers. That's the sand hoppers. We don't get the sand hoppers much on the B&P. There's the end. There they go. Must have went to one service industry hauls garbage, or it's a tanker place area. I don't know which area it was. So let's get the lights turned. There they go. Alright, that's gonna do it for this version. We'll be back on with another train if there is one. Talk to you later.